In this video we will see how to format your PC or laptop without losing your data.
Subscribe the Technodi channel and hit the bell icon to get the update notifications.
Is your Windows machine not working well? Reset the PC may help you out. But also you cannot risk your data? Then here it is, what you actually need to look into. Click on Start button, or click on Window key. Now search for Reset this PC. Or just go to Settings. Once you are in Settings, go to Update and Security. Now look for Recovery option here. Now before proceeding to anything here, make sure power is connected with the system. Click on Get Started to begin the process. Be bit careful here, and click on Keep My Files. Now just relax here, it's going to ask few more before resetting. Still you can cancel it anytime, if made wrong something. Now wait a while and hit Next. Sit back, and wait for the next message. This message is just to show you what changes are going to happen after this reset process. Now hit Next. Now, get some snacks, sit back, and wait for the restart. Make sure don't disconnect the power, no matter what. Here it restarted. Now still, you need to wait, because this process is going to take long.